Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you see by today's title, I am going to be showing you how to create your very own baby hair. Now this method can be used whether you are creating them on yourself or if you are making and customizing a wig. So really quick, I am just getting my wig super flat before I start these baby hairs. I did go over this in much more detail in my online wig course, which I'll link down below. But we'll just get right into these baby hairs. And before we get into it, really quick, if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's get into it. So I'll just show you step by step on what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to take a section. Don't want to make the section really big because I don't want my baby hairs super thick, but I'm just going to section off the part where I want to do my baby hairs. So as you see, I'm going to go ahead and pluck some of the hair. Like I said, I don't want really thick full baby hairs. Now it's totally your preference if you want to pluck extra.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the country.
So now we can begin molding our baby hairs, and this is a step that's super kind of tedious and can be a little complicated for some, but what you're doing is kind of like swirling, swooping the baby hairs, or you can call it swirling, but you want to make kind of like a half circle. and you are just kind of swooping until you kind of get that look that you want. So this part is really kind of more preference. I know everyone does their baby hairs a little different, but this is just the way that I like to do them.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and then make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not excited. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
Our baby hairs are just about done, and as you see, it can be a little tedious. However, practice makes perfect. I promise you got this. But if you guys are looking for more free helpful tutorials, I'll leave a few links down below, as well as I'll leave a link to my all-in-one wig course. So if you're someone that's serious about starting your wig business or your hair business, this is definitely the course for you. So thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye friends.